Left sin and Calvary's hill, sin rumble and tumble until sin roll out of sight. I was happy that night. I left sin and Calvary's hill. I am free.
Okay, hello. I shouldn't be able to sing your first 4 lines with you. You heard somebody else singing along?
You?
Yes, it was me. And if it's an original song competition?
No. I wrote my song.
You wrote that song?
Yeah.
Yes, you wrote those words? You wrote those words?
I don't sing people's song.
You wrote that song?
Yes.
You wrote those words?
Yes.
And you wrote that melody?
Yes.
So
I did everything.
you wrote, I left it on Calvary's hill.
Yes.
It rumbled and tumbled until.
I practiced this song at Beeson Street, New Testament Church of God.
Bless God. So when did you write this song?
I wrote one in December.
In December?
Yeah.
My grandmother died 30 years ago. And I heard her singing it.
No, I never hear that sing.
Okay, thank you.
Never.